Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we explained how to print messages on the screen. However, today I'm going to explain how to print numbers on the screen. So, how to add, subtract, divide and multiply numbers and directly show the results on the screen. So let's go. If you want to display a single number on the screen, it's as printing a message on the screen. For example, System.out.println, depends on you if you want len or not. Put quotations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a number, okay? So run our program. Okay, this is our number. To avoid this combination, just put an empty line firstly, okay? So as we expected our number, okay? Then, if you want to add, subtract, multiply or divide numbers, you should use the same syntax but without the quotations. Why without the quotations? Since you are using functions, you are using multiplication, you are using addition, you are using subtraction, and you are using division, okay? So System.out.println without the quotation 2 plus 2, okay, for example. Run our program, it will result in 4, okay? For example, if you come and put System.out.println and quotations 2 plus 2, it will display 2 plus 2, since Java understands that everything inside the quotations should be displayed on the screen. We will run our program and it will display 2 plus 2, okay? And usually Java follows the order. The order of Java is to solve the parentheses firstly, then the multiplication and the division, then the addition and the subtraction. For example, I prepared for you some example to master this, okay? Let's copy all my examples. Okay. In this case, System.out.println 10 plus 2 times 3, it will go into the multiplication, solve the multiplication and go to the addition. Okay, in the second case, it will solve all the numbers inside all the functions inside the parentheses, then go to the multiplications since parentheses has the priority. Okay, in the third case, it will start by the multiplication 4 times 2, then go to the subtraction. In the fourth case, it will solve all the parentheses, then go to the multiplication. Okay, and I prepared a simple example that has everything, okay, to understand that's related to this concern, okay? So, in the final case, System.out.println, it will start by the parentheses, then it solves the parentheses, then go to the multiplication, either the multiplication or the division. But in this case, the multiplication is near the parentheses, so it will start by the multiplication. It will solve the parentheses, then the multiplication, then the division, then it will go to the subtraction. And by the way, this is the symbol that we usually use to divide, okay? And this is the symbol to multiply, and plus and minus to add and subtract, okay? Another thing that I want to add is how to make a comment in Java. For example, if we want to put, if we put this too, okay, and write whatever you want, system, for example, .out.println, and this is anything inside it, it will not consider it. If we want to run it, the program, it will not consider this line since this is a comment, okay? And it will, if we write below, it will not be inside the comment, okay? If we want to write a comment that has multiple lines, okay, so we usually shift, okay, this, then shift, then this, okay? And you can write, for example, here, okay, then here, then here, and then here. Everything inside this are comments, okay? And this is for today. Be prepared for the next video.